Hi, let me share information about digitalcontact.in. Ready? Let me directly share the website so that you can see all the information at one go, and that is about digitalcontact.in. This is going to be a lot, maybe a long video, but yes, I want to give you all the input which will be very useful for you. Ready? Then let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let me share. This is the website. What you can do is you can refer the website i.digitalcontact.in. i.digitalcontact.in. Here you can see all the information. Even if you refer digitalcontact.in, that is also enough. Okay, so now represent smarter, not harder. This is the main mission of this website. So first of all, let me share why the digital business cards or the digital contacts for all business. So this is going to help you to communicate your message more smartly. This is going to be a smart and interactive, result oriented and actionable digital contact. Our digital business card platform is going to make designing the card simple, convenient, and it is reliable. You can just create this card or this digital contact in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes are enough. Okay, you have to just click on this. What is going to happen? It is going to redirect to digitalcontact.in/this. I'm going to explain after some time. So first of all, let us understand why you should have digital contact. Why you should have the digital contact. So let me share few points. So first of all, it is easy and it can be created within just a few minutes, and it is impressive and the content is rich. You can share from anywhere and anytime, and you can save trees and contribute to the environment. You can save time, money, you can create dynamic content, you can update it anytime. Even this digital contact is going to work as a lead generation system. You can get more and more leads or the prospects or even the inquiries directly into your mobile. Many people are going to contact you directly through WhatsApp, SMS or call, email. That's it. You can inspire your clients or even the prospects digitally. So these are the major benefits why you should have digital contact. So now let me share some of the premium features. So one business card which is having endless opportunities, possibilities. So you have many options like one click call. In a click you can call directly. Next is one click WhatsApp, one click email. In a click email you can get email to yourself directly. Next is one click map. In a click one can see your map directly. Next is you can add directly the contacts. Anyone can add your number to their mobile. In a single click anyone can visit your website. All the social links are available. You have the option of unlimited sharing. You have the online store wherein you are going to provide some different offers. You can showcase your product or services. You can show your videos and image gallery. So these are the premium benefits. Along with this, it is very easy to update. You have to just click and update. It is possible. Next is let me maximize it so that you can see it better. Yes, the payment links are also provided. You can refer the QR code. Anyone can send you the inquiry via email. Quick loading, it doesn't take much time and it is easy to share. You have the option to support. It is 100% paperless. It is completely safe and secure. You can always be available with the client. And even you can see how many unique visitors are there for your digital contact. You can also attract many customers. So these are the premium benefits. I hope you're understanding how these benefits are going to be useful for you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your time. Can I take your some time, some minutes to explain the things in detail? Okay, because see, I want you to understand. If you understand this concept, then it becomes very, very easy for you to implement the things. Okay, so now let me share the details, the same benefits in detail. Okay, so let me jump to the screen. So number one is business contact meet the digital age. Design your business card in just a few minutes. Okay, it is easy, elegant, and it is always in your pocket. Okay, so this is the first benefit. Second is freedom from boring printed visiting cards. Okay, most of the time what happens is the visiting cards, the digital visiting cards, printed one, okay, those are a little bit boring. And even I have observed, like whenever anyone is going to take any visiting card, almost more than 90% people don't save your contact. Okay, yes, this is what I have observed. And even all the cards, wherever they put it, okay, most of the time there is possibility that they are going to forget about that card. Okay, so instead of this, if you are sharing digital contact, makes a lot of sense. Okay, so this is just I want to share with you. Next is one business card and endless opportunities, possibilities. You can express yourself in ways never before possible with a business card. You can showcase your product by uploading rich content such as photos, videos, even the custom links. This is all possible. Let me share some more points. Next is mobility at its finest. What I mean to say is the shortest route to your customer is through their mobile phones. Yes. So how you can reach to through their mobile phone, that is very, very important. Okay. Next point is no need to carry any business card because this is completely digital. You can, in a single click, you can just share it with anyone. Even you can enter the mobile number and just click on that. You can share that also. That is possible. You can just click and call and start working on the business. Okay, these are the major benefits. Next is WhatsApp without saving the contact number. So the best part is you can send WhatsApp, okay, without saving the number. Yeah, it is possible. Okay, for this, what you have to do is you have to just click to WhatsApp, and immediately your WhatsApp will open and anyone can type you message you directly without saving your contact number. Okay, this has been easily made possible with the help of digital contact. Next is the lead capture form. For example, you want to know how many leads you are getting, how many inquiries are there. If you are into business like education, real estate, marketing agency, tours and travels, finance, insurance, or any other B2B segment, the inquiries is very, very important. Even if you take follow-up on those inquiries, you are going to generate more and more business. Next is you can navigate to your store or physical location very easily. Yeah, it is possible. Okay, so next is you can save your contact. Okay, even the end user can easily save your contact. What he has to do is he has to just click on that save to phone. Okay, remember, almost as I said earlier, 80 to 90% visiting cards, okay, whatever you are going to share, are not going to save your contact number. But in this case, there is more possibility that your number gets saved. Okay, you have the option that is click to mail. The viewers can just click and they can send you email with attachment or any information that is possible. Next is click to website. So if anyone is going to click your website, okay, that icon, then immediately they are going to redirect it to your website. Okay, there is no need to specify what is the link. Next is the QR code. Remember, nowadays so many things are happening with the help of QR code. You have to just scan it. Maybe if you can scan this, you are going to get connected to the payment gateway, maybe through Google Pay. Okay, that is the power. Okay, next is share or forward. If you want to share your contact or your card, or even the visitor want to share your card with others, how they can do it? They have to just click on share or forward. WhatsApp share, even they can share via WhatsApp. Okay, these are the many options. When you meet people, okay, just ask for their name and phone number and you can send your digital business card on WhatsApp. Yeah, you can share it on WhatsApp without saving their number. Okay, similarly, you can also ask for name and email, and you can send your digital card to your prospect with just a couple of clicks. In just few clicks, you can do all these things. It is possible. And the next one is why this digital contact is effective and again contactless. Okay, now because of handshakes and paper business cards are no longer acceptable in the world after COVID-19. So you can equip your staff with contact-free digital business cards. They can safely share with your prospects and clients whenever they are meeting in person, or even on Zoom also. You can create kind of say digital card or maybe QR code and the link. Okay, they can easily connect with you directly, and your staff can even make a photo of the paper card they are given without touching them. Okay, they can just scan it and immediately the information they can see it. Okay, going digital means you can track your card and share it in seconds with and leave a lasting impression on the people you are going to meet. So endless benefits are there, so definitely take advantage of this. So now let me share how it is going to work. Let me share. It works in just 3 steps. Okay, just 3 steps. First step is to create a card. You have to just create a card. That is the first step. Okay, design your visiting card or the digital contact in just 2 minutes. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show it live. Okay, and second is you can save to your device. Okay, digital visiting card or digital contact is accessible anytime, anywhere. And the third is to share with your friends and colleagues. Okay, that's so easy. Okay, it is so easy. So you might be thinking, what is the investment? Let me share about the investment part. So first of all, this digital contact with the e-commerce facility or the smart website is very, very affordable. Okay, and the investment is only, instead of 999 rupees, it is just 499 rupees per year. It is just 499 rupees per year. If you are thinking of a long term, that is lifetime, that is only, instead of 9,999, it is 1,999 for lifetime. 1,999 for lifetime. Take maximum advantage. And again, lifetime means minimum 100 years. We are thinking of 100 years plan. Okay, so once again, this is a limited time you are having. So please visit digitalcontact.in and make the payment now. Share your cards with anyone unlimited times. Okay, update your card unlimited times. We are going to provide you the e-commerce facility, that is online store. You can update your profile photo. You can select the design from available templates. Almost we have provided 15 templates. Okay, even nowadays I'm recommending you to change the templates frequently. Okay, you have to just click it. That's it. Automatically the template or the view layout gets changed. Okay, you have the option of 20 product or services to display. You have the option to showcase your 10 images as in gallery. You have the option to connect to your social media links. You can showcase 5 YouTube videos. You can showcase the products with images, payment section, contact form, everything is included. So take advantage of this. Visit digitalcontact.in now and make the payment. Okay, let me show the templates, how exactly they are going to look. You can see the beautifully designed templates. Okay, beautifully designed template. Even if you visit our digitalcontact.in/our area, you can see different these things. You can see the logo, company name, your name and your designation, option to call, WhatsApp, map, mail, website, and also displaying your contact details, option to share, option to save contact, option to share, and social links, and bottom fixed footer. There are many advantages. Okay, so similarly you can see this is one layout, second layout is something like this. Okay, third layout is something like this. Next, this is 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In all, there are completely 15 different layouts are there. You have to select anything. You have to just click. You have to just click and automatically you can select the layouts. That is the power. That is the beauty. That is the speed of digital contact. Okay, so now let me share who will be the beneficiary of digital contacts. Okay, so let me share the beneficiaries. Business owners. Business owners are the beneficiaries. Sales professional, which includes independent sales professionals in the field of staff and sales executive, software and IT, web designer, digital and social media marketers who call or meet business people, marketing agencies wherein they are into advertising, branding, newspaper, printing media and planning. Next is the consultants, architect, interior designer, CA, finance and other consultants, events and travels, professionals from event management, tours and travel companies, finance and realtors, people from real estate brokers and insurance advisors, education and training, teachers, corporate trainers, educational workers, HR consultants, teachers, health and beauty, gym, beautician, salon, dietitian, image consultant, yoga and dance professionals, real estate builders, brokers, agents, entrepreneurs, manufacturing or any other companies, business owners, small and medium scale company owners, management members, freelancers, web designers, developers, tester. So all these people can get the benefit of digital contact. They have option to, these are the some of the feedback we have received from our esteemed members. Amit Kulkarni, the real estate builder, says super valuable and highly useful system. I'm just sharing my digital contact with a new prospect to show all info in just one place. Okay, Rahul Zadhav, he is an entrepreneur. I thought a website update is very technical and I can't manage it. And after using the digital contact, I recommend all of my friends to use it. Now even I'm helping them to create new. Thank you, Rahul. John Lobo, he says he's a consultant. He says like I'm getting leads to my WhatsApp directly, and this is all because of digital contact. Poonam Sharma, she's a online dress seller. She says like people are referring my offers, products via digital contact thanks to simple system. Hey friend, I want you to start using it, and I'm going to record your testimonial also online. Okay, there is an option for freelancer or the resellers also. They are going to get custom domain name, and you can create unlimited cards. No need to pay any commission on cards. These all facilities are there. Please refer and contact me directly. Next is other services. I'm going to show other services list also. If you want to connect, please connect to Facebook or WhatsApp group, YouTube directly by clicking this information. Friend, my intention is to showcase like what are the things possible with the help of digital contact. Okay, a lot of information I'm going to update. Please visit i.digitalcontact.in or digitalcontact.in. You can directly visit website. Okay, you'll come to know all the information at one place. So this is all about digital contact. I wish you great success, and I wish you to represent smarter, not harder. Forget the physical digital cards. Okay, go for digital contact. Visit digitalcontact.in. Thank you very much.